So we'll see what happens today because I really don't know what I'm doing today. But I know I need to go pick up my pack. Alright, so I am headed to go and look for pajamas because we are having like a sister slumber party for Christmas Eve, and I'm like, I have no pajamas. So I'm gonna go see if I can find some pajamas. And yeah, between this one right here and this one right here, they're really the same, honestly. This one's $20, this one's $16. I'm thinking of going with the 16, but I do like the silk. I could just buy silk pajamas. I don't know, I can't decide. It's between this one, which is okay. Kind of just looks like a big shirt instead of a dress. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. So I just left Marshall's, and now Massachusetts pretty much charging 5 to 10 cents per bag. Do I need a bag? Probably do, don't. But I got this for only $12. $12. So I came to visit my friend, her family. They're playing Monopoly. I'm in her room trying to wrap a gift, and hopefully it comes out nice. I'll show y'all the end result when I finish. Looks good on the back. And great, no. Looks good. Okay, so I just left my friend's house. We just finished playing Monopoly. Well, I didn't play Monopoly. I was watching, but that was a really good game. That was fun. Right now, I'm heading to the supermarket to see if I can make some type of pre-Christmas dinner tonight. I kind of want to chill out, you know, something a little cute or whatever. I did not record tonight's meal, but we got some surf and turf going on. Y'all know I be in here. This ain't store bought. I be in here. Okay, so just to finish up my vlog, I am gonna show you all a sneak peek of some of the items that I bought from Pretty Little Things and some things that I bought from ASOS. So the first thing I want to show y'all are my shoes that I bought. I got these in a size 7, and I got this shoe specifically because I really like the heel on it, the bottoms, the trap on the bottom, and they're pretty heavy duty. So, and then they come with laces. So I really like these. So the next item I'm gonna show you all is this purse that I got. It's a clear little purse, and pretty much everything on Pretty Little Things was 40% off, so I really didn't have to pay full price. And I think this purse was on sale as well, but I will list everything. So next I have this pajama set. Personally, I don't really like showing my clothes, but I thought I'd give you all a little bit of a haul that I've done. I'm just really a stickler with showing like clothes before I wear them. I don't know, I just feel like it's weird. But this is a pajama set. I got this specifically just in case like I go somewhere for the holiday or something. The last item I want to show y'all is this cute corduroy jumper. It's literally like corduroy, and I like it because it's really soft, and then if you flip it over, it's kind of like high waist, so it goes all the way up to your mid back, and then it comes with these, you know, little buttons. You can strap the straps. They come with a little button, but I probably would have to make maybe 1 or 2 more holes because I'm really small up top for some reason. But yeah, that's all I have. So I want to thank you all for tuning in to vlog. Oh my goodness, we're almost to Christmas, but I'm about to get ready for bed, watch a movie, relax, and just get ready because Christmas is almost here. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.